What's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to install a smart garage door opener, and basically it's just a device that uses your home Wi-Fi. Instead of a garage door opener, you just use your phone. Device connects to your Wi-Fi. When you pull up, your phone connects to your Wi-Fi. You can just use your phone instead of a garage door opener. I decided to get this because I've had tons of issues with these stupid garage door openers, replacing the batteries, you know, and then it's just like sometimes working. So I looked this up. There's a lot of devices out there like this. I came across this one and I liked it pretty much the best, so I decided to get it just because of how simple and straightforward it was, and it worked pretty good, I gotta say. So I'm gonna do a quick install video for you guys to see really how easy. It took me like less than 10 minutes to install, and had pretty good reviews on Amazon, and a lot of the other ones really didn't, and they kind of went into lengthy detail on how to install theirs, and this one seemed like it was the simplest. So anyways, let me show you. That's it right there, the Meross, there it is. Smart Wi-Fi garage door opener, and like I said, it uses your Wi-Fi, so you can use your phone to open it instead of a garage door opener, which is pretty cool. So this is the finished install, and I'll just run you down. Basically, when you unbox it, you'll download the app. The app instructs you on exactly like what to do, set it up. Basically, you'll plug it in. You'll use the app to connect the device to your Wi-Fi, and then pretty much after that you'll come into the garage and install it. And the app is, you know, straightforward, tells you exactly step by step what to do, and I'm pretty much just going to summarize that. So the first thing you're going to do is this cable that I got right there, that's the contactor, and that's where I got mine mounted right there. There's actually two, this one right here and this one. It's actually magnetic, so it stuck pretty good on my garage door, and I just put a little bit of glue on the bottom, and it says to try to get these within an inch. So right now I'm about a 1/4 inch apart, and it works great. So you can put these wherever you want on your garage door. You know, you can put it over there, anywhere on your door. I just figured, you know, run that power cord along the rail right there, straight shot, and that's where I did mine. So again, you know, within an inch, and that's all you got to worry about. So that is the contactor that tells the device when your door is open and closed. So now we'll go to the install, and I've got a Craftsman garage door opener, so yours might be a little bit different, but so I've got my wire for the contactor, and that is the device itself right there, just sitting on top. You can see the little green indicator light that it's connected to Wi-Fi, has one button on it, and then that is the connection for the contacts, and then it comes with a USB, and you'll see over there I've got it plugged in right there. Just a 1 amp, 5 volt 1 amp charger, comes with everything. So you should, you know, have a receptacle right there, so it should reach. Just plug it in. The connection is pretty straightforward. So it's just a 2-wire coming out of the device, and basically what you want to do is tie this into where your clicker, you see mine on the door over there, wherever that ties in, that's where you want to tie it in. So these right here, the green, red, and white, and the green, red, and white right here, that's my sensors. So you should have a sensor on either side of your garage door. And then this third one right here is just a red and white, and that is my garage door clicker. So pretty straightforward. It's actually red and white where it goes in right there. So you just push that tab in and slide these two contactors in, and that's it. So pretty much ties into wherever your clicker ties into, and then it uses that to open the door. So pretty straightforward. You know, when you're pulling up, the app is pretty straightforward. Again, it just, you know, open it up, hit open, it says opening, and it'll hit it again, it'll say closing, and it'll notify you if it failed. So that's pretty cool. I haven't tried it on LTE yet. I would imagine it works, but it might not. But anyways, I got a good router, so my Wi-Fi reaches plenty far out there. So when I connect, you know, as I'm pulling up, I can just hit it from pretty far away, and it works. And I don't know why you would want to do it anywhere else, but that's pretty cool. So that was it, straightforward. Like I said, it took me about 10 minutes or so to install it. So that's it, and I'll link it in the description. Smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. If you need one, check this out. You guys got any more questions, let me know. Thanks.